I'm going to teach you how to add photos to frames in Canva. Whether you're a designer creating a stunning presentation or just someone looking to enhance your social media posts, mastering the art of framing images in Canva is a skill that will elevate your designs. Let's dive right in. First, open Canva and head over to your design project. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a menu with several options. Click on Elements. This section is a treasure trove of design tools, letting you add shapes, lines, graphics, and more. Today, we're focusing on frames. Once you've clicked on Elements, use the search bar to find frames. Type it in and you'll see a variety of options appear. Frames in Canva act as placeholders, allowing your photos to fit creatively within them. To explore all options, click See All. This opens an extended list of frames, giving you plenty of shapes and sizes to experiment with, from circles and rectangles to Polaroid-inspired and abstract designs. Select the frame that matches your creative vision by simply clicking on it. With your frame in place, it's time to add your photo. Navigate to the Uploads tab on the left menu. Here, you can upload images from your computer. Canva supports JPEG, PNG, and even GIF files, so you have plenty of flexibility. Once your image is uploaded, drag and drop it directly onto the frame. Canva will automatically snap it into place, perfectly cropped to fit the frame shape. You can double-click the photo to adjust its position or zoom in and out, ensuring the focus is exactly where you want it. For an added touch, try combining multiple frames in one design to create collages or layered effects. You can also add filters, text, or other elements on top of your frame photo to make your design pop. Experimenting with different frames and images helps you find unique combinations and develop your personal style. And that's it. You now know how to add photos to frames in Canva, bringing both creativity and functionality to your projects. Practice regularly, explore new frame shapes, and don't be afraid to get creative with layering and positioning. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, or leave a comment below with any questions. Keep designing and have a wonderful day. Happy designing.